How's everybody doing? My wife gets off at 9 o'clock. It's 9:45. Haven't scared her in a while, so it's about that time. Plus, today's December 20th, 2012. Tomorrow's the world's supposed to end anyway, so might as well get her one time before the world ends, I guess. This is the mask I'm going to wear, and let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to have my little boy help me. Alright, what do you got to tell Mom when she comes in the door?
If she says, "Where's Dad?" We're gonna turn on the shower and pretend Dad's in the shower, except he'll really be in the refrigerator. And
What's your line? What are you supposed to tell her?
Mom, can you get me a juicy out of the refrigerator?
Okay. Can you do that?
Yep.
Alright. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can tell what I did or not, but the bottom of the refrigerator is pretty much empty, and everything else is filled up, and I got a bunch of stuff in the freezer as well. I'm going to try to hide down there and see if I can scare her a little bit. Oh man. Oh man, I thought I saw lights. Okay, we're good. Wait. We're good. Okay. Alright. I'm going to hide in there, and she's going to come, and I'm going to try to scare her, and TJ, I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's going to tell her, "Mom, can you give me a juice?" And I hope he doesn't mess this up for me, and hopefully she comes in here, gets a juice, and I scare her. I'm going to try to put the camera right around in here somewhere, and hopefully we scare her. So here we go. Just stay in the living room.
Front door.
Mom?
Yeah?
I'm thirsty. Can you get me a juicy?
I sure can. Wow, the kitchen looks good.
I know.
Did you clean it?
My dad did.
Ah! What's wrong with you?
I'm stuck. For real, stuck. Ow, my head.
Mom,
let it out?
me too.
Should I let him out?
Yes.
I want to close it all the way. What were you thinking?
So I really do want a juicy.
I don't know what's wrong with you.